Welcome to American Roots. We are gonna make a chicken coop. So we went to Home Depot and searched the coal section, and we got 13 2x4s and an 8-foot piece of plywood for 21 bucks. It was 70% off. Well, and all of this dirt used to be the garden beds back here. So the okra, the cantaloupes, everything was growing over here. And then we had, what did she have over here? Sunflowers and all of that. So when we removed all the beds, we took everything away. She just let all the soil drop from the garden beds. And so that's what we're gonna build and let the chickens be in that. So because we bought coal wood, the wood can get kind of twisted. So we decided that we were going to build a frame onto that, and that would be the back of the coop. That would help straighten out any curved boards. Finally, we're ready to start building. This is going to be the back wall. So we set it into place. And Joe and I are funny. We always have to talk about everything a million times before we go through it. I guess that's a good thing. So we finally get building, and we put the frame together, and of course I'm eager to get the screen on to make it start looking more like a chicken coop rather than a giant pencil box. But one of the things we really wanted was the chicken wire to be on the inside, and then how that was going to work, trying to pull everything straight and get everything level. It was a little challenging, and I'm sure there was an easier way to do it, but this was our first time, and I thought, it's better to try to work through it. Eventually we figured it out. You just have to kind of work with what you have. We got the top made, and Joe put on a temporary latch for the door. We still have to make the interior boxes for the chickens, their roosting boxes and all that, but we're just making the finishing touches. I think it came together very well for $21. Once we get the lid finished, we just need to add the screen and the chicken mesh, and we are one step closer to adding chickens to the yard. It's really important that we make sure that our enclosure holds them safely. We want to be very responsible with them And that's one of the biggest reasons why we're building at least a safe place for them away from our 8 dogs. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, be blessed.